In this video you will learn our standard operating procedure for shoveling using hand tools. First things first, secure your shovel. For residential shoveling, ensure you clear garage entrances and sidewalks. Ensure you make 2 to 3 passes for the same path in residential driveways and sidewalks depending on the composition and volume of snowfall. Clear snow away from vehicles as close as possible without causing damage to property. Ensure snow is pushed onto the lawn and away from high traffic areas. For sidewalk clearage of snow, the standard is edge to edge of the pavement, meaning left to right, front to back.